Buttermilk fried chicken is the best home-style comfort food. This pan-fried chicken recipe makes perfectly golden brown and crispy chicken with a light coating of herbs. If you are searching for the perfect fried chicken dish, you must try this one. Fried chicken cooked with buttermilk is challenging to refuse. Follow this recipe to learn how to fry chicken like a pro in no time. Ingredients: 1 liter of buttermilk. Can also use plain yogurt thinned with a bit of milk. 1 onion, big sliced 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, tarragon, or 1 teaspoon each dry spice. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 milligram of cayenne pepper. 3 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken parts. Thighs, drumsticks, wings, breasts. For the cooking chicken, 2 pints of cooking oil, such as canola or peanut oil. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 0.5 grams garlic salt. 1/2 teaspoon onion salt. 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. Add freshly ground black pepper and salt to taste. How to make? Step 1. Mix the buttermilk, sliced onion, herbs, paprika, and cayenne in a large bowl. Use this mixture to marinate the chicken. Put the pieces of chicken in the buttermilk mixture and cover them completely. Cover and let sit for a day, at least 8 hours. Step 2. Put the chicken pieces in a colander and pour the buttermilk mixture over them. Step 3. Coat the chicken pieces with flour. Put flour, garlic salt, onion salt, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper in a large, strong paper or plastic bag. Put chicken pieces in a bag with the flour mixture and shake the bag until the chicken is completely covered. Step 4. Heat the oil in a pan with a thick bottom. In a large, heavy-bottomed skillet, cast iron, stainless steel, or anodized aluminum. Anything that can withstand the heat. Heat 2 cups of oil over medium-high heat until a pinch of flour placed into the oil sizzles, but the pan is not smoking, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Always keep a pan cover within reach when working. Step 5. Add the chicken pieces to the hot oil in the pan in batches. Cook on one side for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Flip using metal tongs and fry the other side for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Ensure the pan is not overcrowded and cook approximately 5 pieces at a time. Continue until all the pieces are complete. Ensure the oil is between 300 and 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which are hot enough to fry the chicken through without burning the batter. Step 6. To get the chicken out of the pan, use tongs. Place on a rack over a cookie sheet or broiler pan so the extra oil can drain. To taste, add more salt and pepper. Give it 10 to 15 minutes to cool down before serving. Storage. Fried chicken made with buttermilk can be kept in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. It will keep for up to 3 months in the freezer. Reheating. It's best to put it back in the oven at 325 degrees for 10 minutes or until it's hot all the way through. It can also be heated for about 5 minutes in an air fryer. To heat something that has been frozen, bake it at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. How come fried chicken tastes so good? It's the magic of the ingredients and the way they were cooked. The base is made of tasty free-range chicken, buttermilk with a hint of acidity, and tasty spices. To achieve the signature crispiness of deep-fried chicken, while also locking in moisture, cooks use a dry heat method called deep frying. The spices adhere to the fat from the skin and the oil, and the deep frying process prevents the flavors from being diluted by water. This triggers the activation of taste receptors on the tongue, allowing you to savor the flavor for an extended period. What does it do to chicken to soak in buttermilk? Buttermilk is often used to make fried chicken or chicken tenders in the Southern style. The slightly acidic buttermilk breaks down some of the chicken's proteins, making it tenderer. Because buttermilk is nice and thick, it sticks well to the chicken. This means that when you dip the chicken in flour, you get great crust. You can buy buttermilk at the store, but if you don't have any, you can use plain yogurt that has been soured with a squeeze of lemon and left to sit for a few minutes. This should then be about as acidic as lemon juice and have the same effect of letting the enzymes soften the meat as it marinates. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. We will be back with another exciting video. Till that, take care and help others.